how to find and choose language learning materials that are actually useful. This is what I'm gonna talk about today. My name is Oliver, the craftiest language learner, and without further ado, let's get to the good stuff. First of all, you want to stay away from Google searches like how to learn X language or 10 ways to learn X language. When you go to Google and type in how to, you're basically begging someone to sell you a course or ask for your email address in exchange for a free guide that promises you to speak in a week and only tells you that you should immerse yourself in the language. So number one, step up your Google search game. Go to Google and type in X language learning for your desired language plus PDF. When you type in PDF at the end of language learning, first of all, you have more chances of finding free content because you're gonna find the PDFs directly. And second of all, PDF basically translates to books. And books means that people put in effort to write those books and they're more likely to have good information in them. Number two, some statistics show that 98.8% of Google searches stop at the first page. Don't be one of those guys. The first page on the Google results doesn't mean the best page. It just means that the owner of the website put in effort and did the SEO research to appear on the first page for the keywords that you typed in. In my experience, to find some good results, you have to change your search a couple of times and click at least 20 pages until you find something good. Number three, after you find a PDF, you have to X-ray it to see if it has what you need. This is a list of things you should look into when deciding to download a book. Alphabet, because obviously you're gonna need to know it. Phonetics, because you're gonna wanna know how to pronounce those sounds. Some grammar, like how to form questions, negations, conjugations. Some text with translations. Some specific details about that language. And the most essential vocabulary, which is about 5,000 words. What if you're looking for a website or an app to learn a language? First of all, make sure they have audio resources recorded by native speakers in high quality. Also, make sure they have some flexibility to give you and that you can learn words. The reason why is because phrases can limit you a lot. Here's how I mean. An average phrase has about 5 words. If you learn 100 phrases, you're gonna have 100 answers or questions specific for certain circumstances. And the bad thing about this is that you're only gonna be able to use these phrases in those specific circumstances. But 100 phrases also translate to 500 words. Now the thing is, with 500 most essential words, you can express most of the essential sentences. Sentences like I want to go to the... And of course you're missing some words like store, school, concert. But if you look at this sentence, all of these words are most commonly used words in the English language. So technically, learning phrases is good if you want to learn short term or if you're passing through a country for a few days and you just want to know the essential phrases that will help you get around. But if you want to learn a language for the long term, I would advise that you learn words because they will give you the flexibility to make various phrases, not just the ones you learn at the beginning. Also, make sure the layout of the PDF complies with your learning style. A learning style is a way in which a person learns best. So if you want to avoid some confusion and learn faster, find your learning style and choose materials accordingly. That was all for this video. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I constantly release awesome videos in which I share great tips on how to learn a language faster. And once you subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon, you'll be notified of each of them. So find that subscribe button and join the crafty learning revolution. My name is Oliver, the craftiest language learner, and I hope to see you crafty learners in the next one.